Hello guys, so today I will be showing you solution to one more problem. So the problem that you guys might have been facing is like how to temperature control these kind of geysers, the instant geyser, the tap water faucet geyser. So this doesn't have any kind of a temperature control, right? So as soon as a person turns on the tap, you see it's almost 68 degrees and like the vapors are coming out. So definitely nobody can wash hands, so that's a little bit tough process. So now definitely everybody, you might be thinking of like how can we control the temperature, because anyways like we cannot wash hands, it's such a hot water, right? So to provide a solution, let's begin. So here comes the solution. So you need to purchase this particular item. So this is a 4000 watt high power thyristor electronic dimmer circuit. So this is readily available, and you see it is a very low cost one, 329 bucks including GST only. So from where to purchase it? Yeah, directly purchase it from Probu. So this site offers you great deals and like very cheap cost. They do not charge you shipping as well. So I bought it at 329 rupees, and this will be helpful for you. Yeah, arrived. Let me do a quick unboxing. Yeah, here is it. Dun, dun, dun. So this is the same dimmer that I got. Yeah. The same one. Yeah. So let me introduce something. Is like you see the line neutral input and output. You just simply need to connect the line and neutral to your input, and the output will go to your geyser directly. So this is just a flap cover. Open it up, unscrew, tighten up the wires, and screw it up and plug it down. Yeah, that's it. And like if you rotate this knob, so the voltage will increase and decrease. So how to fit it? So what I did is like I made this plug connection. So it has line, neutral and earth. So if you follow the wire, this goes inside this particular box. So this is simply a switchboard box that you can buy from market. You simply need to drill a hole, simply drilling a hole, and then you fit it over here. That's it. So this particular black wire is my input wire, and you see this goes to the input of that particular dimmer. So this is my input, if I can show you. Yeah, so the black wire goes to the input, and the output simply you just need to connect the line and neutral, and this is the white wire that is coming out. Simply this white wire gets inside this one. So now your geyser is now temperature controlled. So this particular dimmer circuit does nothing, but it controls the amount of voltage which is being supplied. And this yellow wire is the earth. So earth directly from the switchboard is being supplied to the geyser. So this gives you the protection from short circuit and additional shock prevention. So that's it. So let's see how it works in action. So let's switch it on. So now this dimmer circuit is being powered, and from here it is going inside this one. So I have kept the knob to the middle one, if you see. So now the temperature will not go to that much excess. Let's do a practical test. Now open the tap. Let me show you a closer temperature. So 27. And this will not increase abruptly. It will be in the range of 30s, and that's it. At max it will go to 33, 34, 35 max, and this is quite comfortable temperature to wash your hands, and this remains constant, you see. So easy process. If you need to pull down the temperature further, just simply rotate the knob towards down, and now you will see that temperature will again reduce down. Just because I have reduced down the knob, the temperature will again reduce down. So that is the intention for this particular dimmer. Let's see. Yep, you see 31, 30. So temperature is reducing down, and now it will be constant in 28, 29, something like that. So this is a very easy process you can implement at home. And for better safety, you simply need to cover this one. So just put in the excess wire, and this cover you have, you simply mount it on top and screw them. Yeah, that's it. Everything's done. So simple. So I screwed the box, and I kept one pointing mark over here. So this is for the most suitable temperature that I use at my home. And now if I see it in action, so this is how it works. So it will not cross 40. You see. This same process you can implement for your geysers as well, if you want to reduce the heat of your geyser. Hopefully you like the video. Thank you.